In the complex world of container shipping, precision, efficiency, and safety are paramount. To meet these demands, two powerful applications have been developed: SimpleStow and SimpleStability. Each designed for a specific purpose, yet capable of working seamlessly together. SimpleStow is a comprehensive cargo planning tool. SimpleStability is a full-featured stability analysis application. Together, they provide unmatched control over container vessel operations. SimpleStow provides a user-friendly graphical interface for creating, modifying, and exchanging container stowage plans while processing container lists and data with ease. In that software module, users can start a new voyage, define ports and their rotation sequence, and import container cargo lists from custom CSV files or via industry-standard EDI messages such as BAPLI, move-ins, and COPRA. Containers can then be stowed in the graphical bay plan using powerful automated tools. With every port change, SimpleStow automatically updates the graphical stowage plan, hiding discharged containers and adding those pre-planned to be loaded. This ensures that at any given time, the user sees the vessel's true onboard status. Exporting BAPLI or move-ins for each port. Generating customized stowage reports, or archiving cargo data in tailored formats, all are just a few clicks away. SimpleStability, on the other hand, is a full-featured stability analysis application. Within an intuitive graphical interface, users can manipulate ballast and utility tanks, add solid weights, and instantly assess the ship's stability, strength, and floating status. Critical stability parameters are permanently displayed and highlighted if they exceed safe limits, ensuring immediate awareness. Users can also customize monitoring additional parameters through the hydrostatic parameters window. From class-assigned maximum kg or minimum GM diagram to detailed static stability and longitudinal strength charts, SimpleStability offers real-time insights into every aspect of vessel safety. The program also includes a collection of common stability reports to help with easy documentation and archiving. When deployed together, SimpleStow and SimpleStability form one fully integrated system. Cargo mass distribution is instantly shared behind the scenes, so that every stowage change in SimpleStow updates the vessel's floating status in SimpleStability in real time. Changing port condition during the voyage is easy. As another port is selected in the port rotation bar, the system automatically adjusts the vessel's loading condition, including cargo, tanks, and weights, eliminating the need for manual recalculations and adjustments. When SimpleStow and SimpleStability are installed on a ship, the crew can follow one of several typical workflow scenarios. After launching SimpleStow, the user begins by importing a BAPLI message. From this file, SimpleStow extracts the list of ports and displays a dialog where the user can add them to the voyage schedule. At this stage, the port sequence can also be adjusted. Once the BAPLI message is imported, SimpleStow automatically generates a stowage plan for each port. The user can then review and, if necessary, modify the plan. To check the ship's stability and floating status, the user activates the SimpleStability module via the menu, Tools, Hydrostatics. Cargo weights are automatically transferred from SimpleStow to SimpleStability for every port in the voyage. The user must then adjust utility and ballast tanks to finalize the ship's loading condition. This can be done either in the graphical tank plan window or in the tanks table. A faster method is to import a previously saved condition file, then make minimal adjustments to create exact tank's condition, at the same time reviewing stability, drafts and longitudinal strength parameters updated in real time on the screen. For each port, the user can define the exact tank condition directly in SimpleStow. These conditions are stored individually, together with the cargo mass distribution for each port of the voyage. On completion, the user can generate reports, export EDI files, and save the entire voyage scenario, including status of tanks, in one plan file in SimpleStow. SimpleStow and SimpleStability, two dedicated applications, one seamless solution. Together, they empower shipping professionals to plan smarter, work faster, and sail safer.